Open. Today we have an egg with the princess on it. And our model, Anna Sofia, is opening it. Oh, it seems to have already been broken a little bit, carrying it all the way from Europe. And it's on the floor. Open it up, and there we have a prize.
Look!
Yes, now open the prize, and what do we have?
Open it. Look!
What is this?
Look, puppies!
It's a puppy, or 2 puppies. No? How many puppies you got there, kid?
Let's see.
Open it, Mom.
Oh, and there's the
What is it?
paper. And we're eating it now.
Let's open it.
Good. Let's open the toy. The photographer can hold the chocolate.
Bunnies.
Look at the bunnies.
Twins.
Excellent. And there we have it. The last egg of Christmas comes with bunnies. Probably some Easter thing going on there. Okay, bye-bye.